In my attempt to educate as many people as I can, I need to try and provide you with a variety of different examples because it makes sense to some of you looking at it one way, and to others it makes sense looking at something a different way. So in my attempt to help those of you who are dealing with stairs in tight spaces, you have stairs with tall risers and short steps. I want to show you what will happen to your stairway if you add one step or subtract one step to that stairway. So here we're looking at a stairway with 14 risers, and each one of those risers will have an individual riser height of 8 inches. Each step will have a depth of 10 inches. And the length of this particular stairway is going to be 10 foot 10 inches. And the total rise between levels is going to be 9 foot 4 inches. This will be the same number in each one of the 3 stair designs. The only numbers that are going to change will be the individual riser height and the length of the stairway. So if we want to reduce the height of the riser, there's only one way to do it, and that's going to be to add more steps to the stairway. So in this example here, we have 15 risers with a 7.466 rise, or an individual riser height of 7 7/16 inches. And again, we have a 10-inch deep stair tread, and the total rise hasn't changed, but the run has. The overall run of the stairway has increased by 10 inches. We added one step to the stairway. And if we remove one step from our first stairway, we're going to reduce the total run of the stairway to 10 feet. And again, the same overall rise. The only difference will be that we are going to have a 8 5/8 inch individual riser height for each one of our steps. And this riser height probably won't be accepted by your local building department, where the maximum riser height could be anywhere between 7 3/4 and 8 inches. So again, if we subtract one step, we're going to end up with a shorter stairway. If we add one step to our original stairway, we're going to end up with a longer stairway. So here are all 3 stairways. So again, in this one here, we added a step to this stairway to create this stairway here. And if we subtract 2 steps, we're going to end up with this stairway here. And all of this started with our original stairway. So if you have a set of stairs you want to reduce the riser height on because it's uncomfortable, it's unsafe, and you're having a difficult time walking up and down the stairway, then you're probably going to need to make the stairway longer by adding one or more steps to solve this problem. Unless for some weird and strange reason your stairway has longer treads. For example, if you have stair treads deeper than 10 inches, or your local building department will allow you to use shorter treads, something that will have a depth of less than 10 inches, then you might be able to add another step by reducing the depth of the tread to create a stairway that will occupy the same space, the same floor space, and possibly solve your problem.